There's a big difference between knowing English and sounding professional in English. I remember back in the early days of my career, I was in a meeting with company executives and I wanted to sound sharp. So I said, "This job is really hard, but I try my best." Polite? Sure. But did it sound professional? Not quite. Later, my mentor said, "Next time, say it's a challenging role, but I'm committed to delivering strong results." Hmm. Same meaning, totally different vibe. So, sounding professional in English isn't about using big words, but it is about choosing the right words, like tying a bow tie, tight enough to hold, but smooth enough to impress.